the journey of content creation is so easy to get stuck on what video do I make next. Consistency is almost like a key that leads to a door of growth, but without ideas, you are left stressing about what's the next step to take. Today, that changes. In this video, I will show you how I created a month's worth of video ideas during my work break. Yes, you heard that right. So how did I manage to find 30 days worth of video ideas? In a small moment like that, I finally had to put to use something that I undervalued for way too long, man. That is ChatGPT. I promise you it's not a sponsor, but I gotta say, ChatGPT might be the greatest internet creation since the App Store or Google. But check it out. So I was on break and I was just like, how do I make this happen? I'm trying to become a full-time content creator, right? And it's a journey, especially, you know, as life gets older. I started out doing content creation full-time and I went to doing part-time because, you know, as responsibilities pick up, you know, you start dating and stuff, life gets busy, man. And I feel like I only have a couple hours like in the evening to, you know, go about my YouTube thing. So I'm like, how can I do this the best? I don't have much time. I asked ChatGPT to come up with different video ideas. I wanted to be super specific. So I asked ChatGPT, what is a good prompt to ask ChatGPT about video ideas? Literally, something like that. And I saw a format that they said, and I was like, I'm gonna create my own script that kind of sounds like the one they gave me. So I'm gonna put it in the copy and paste. I'm gonna show it on your screen. And the stuff that's in parentheses, you get to type in whatever you do. So you might not do exactly what I do. But for me, I run a YouTube channel that helps small content creators and busy entrepreneurs with building a personal brand by using simple time-savvy strategies. I do editing, coaching, productivity hacks, topic research, give me 15 video ideas. So that's pretty much what I did, right? Everything that's in parentheses here is for you to edit. Just wanna make that clear. Or just use what I use. And then when you type it in, right? Boom, it's gonna give you a list of 15 different ideas. Well, they actually gave me 2 sets of 15, so technically that's 30. But, you know, no time to post. Here's an hour weekly content plan. Too busy to post, 3 AI tools that do the lifting. You see all of these different, these are all generated. So meaning like you won't get the same 15 results if you put in what I said, or if you put in like your gym business or whatever you put in. It gave me 30 different video ideas, and look at this right here. Want me to turn this to a ready-to-use content tracker or weekly upload calendar that fits your 1 hour a day schedule. Bruh, this prompt is amazing, I gotta say. And mind you, ideas are AI generated, which is a great thing, right? You get great research ideas and even concept, but on the other side, it might not have your personality intact with it and your experience with it. I've heard a lot of takes on AI. I would never limit AI because it's AI. Sometimes the best ideas might be a remix to something that's AI generated or something that's already out there. Nothing's really new under the sun if you really think about it. So if you could remix even something that isn't new under the sun, which is an AI concept, and make it into your own. 3 types of videos that build and attract clients. Maybe I can make it into 3 types of videos that help small creators grow. 3 productivity hacks for creators with a 9-to-5 job. Maybe I can make that into 5, or I could just talk about this productivity hack help me work around my 9-to-5 job. Like there's so many, like you could just take a concept, remix it, or just take all 30 of these that they give you and just try to come up with. There has to be at least 2 on this list that are fire because it's so niche down. So I gotta say, bro, I was just bored at work. I'll be honest with you, I was bored at work. I was on break and I was just thinking like, how can I get the needle rolling though? You know, I can't film right now, obviously. I can't edit, I can't post, but what can I do? And I'm like, I can plan ideas. And I had a couple in mind that are already in, you know, it's already been recorded. But when I have a list of things that I see that I can record, I script them or / I put them in my radar and I just go for it. I just film 5-6 videos on a Saturday that I have, and then I'll post them throughout the week. So like I said earlier, consistency is definitely the key to unlocking your YouTube channel's growth exponential. But I gotta say, having video ideas is low-key fuel for your channel, because if you don't have ideas, you can't post. What are you gonna be consistent at? Maybe watching other YouTubers, but definitely gotta put in that fuel, man. So I really hope this helps somebody, because it definitely helped me. I'm trying to step into this new niche right now. I've done a lot of niches on YouTube, but this is my first time doing channel growth stuff and sharing from experience. So I'm like, I need ideas. And hey, don't have any shame to your game by using AI. I don't know if there is a thing out there that's like, oh yeah, nah, like be original. Hey bro, these are some phenomenal concepts. I would tell anybody to get started with this before it's too late, because honestly, we're in the AI wave right now. We're literally in the AI time of life that you don't want to miss it. If this was helpful, comment down below, hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. We post stuff like this all the time and you definitely don't want to miss another video. And speaking from my experience, I shared in this video my experience from uploading 1,000 videos on YouTube and what that has taught me today. I'll see you guys in that video. Peace.